All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I've got a new wig for you guys, an affordable wig for y'all. So if you are interested in this entire look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this wig is from Binf Hair. I'm wearing their 13x4 straight short bob wig. It is 150% density, 12 inches, and it's in the Peruvian straight. And I believe this cap size is a regular cap size. So right there is all the parting space you're going to get for this wig. The further you go down to the ear tabs, the less space you are going to get. So I would just go ahead and call this a middle part wig, because you don't really have too many options as far as how you want to style it. So the hairline did need some work, you guys. It says that it's pre-plucked, but I will go ahead and just, pluck it a little bit more. I took my time actually plucking this hair and styling it because I wanted a really chic kind of look. So I spent maybe 15 minutes plucking this hair, and I did not go overboard because I don't know, I'm just not the best at plucking yet. I am slowly learning and slowly getting my confidence up. So yeah, so I'm mainly just breaking up that harsh line of demarcation that's in the front and softening the hair up in the front so it's not so heavy as well. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks. This is just what I came up with on the right side, and then I'll show you how it came on the left side right here. So I went back and pre-plucked this side as well. So next I am going to take my Lotta Body setting foam. I love this stuff because it's like $3. It's so cheap and it does such a great job. Anyways, so I'm gonna take that Lotta Body setting lotion and define my part a little bit more, you guys, and also just mold the hair. And I'm also going to pluck that middle part to open up the part and make it a little bit more natural. I typically don't do this on my wigs, but because I'm keeping this wig as a middle part, I won't do anything else with it. I went on ahead and plucked it, and I love how it turned out. So yeah, so here I'm just gonna pull out my baby hair. Didn't want too many, but I love doing this technique, which is just cutting my baby hair on my mannequin head, putting some setting foam, and then tying the hair down. It just makes the process of laying my hair, especially the baby hair, so much easier for me, and just getting them to go in the direction that I want them to go in. All right, so next, this is how it is looking, you guys. I am going to cut this lace off and proceed to, use my Got To Be glued freeze spray to lay this wig down. And about this lace, it wasn't hard, it wasn't soft, it was just like, it was right. I don't really have any complaints about the lace, and I don't have any complaints about the cap size either. It fit really well. It was just very comfortable for me. So even though it was an average size, their average size is really, really comfortable, and I do have a larger size head. So yeah, here I'm just taking my freeze spray. I do 2 layers of freeze spray. So 1 layer, then do the blow dry, and here I'm doing a 2nd layer, and then I'm gonna blow dry that and then lay the wig down. So whenever it comes to like a bob style in a middle part, I don't really like to do too much baby hair, especially on like straight hair. So here I'm just gonna pull a few pieces out and just do a few little swoops and swirls or whatever I'm doing here. Nothing too special. And mainly just trying not to make the baby hair too thick. So yeah, next I'm just going to add a bit more setting foam, and then I'm gonna lay these hairs down so that they do not come out of place. And these rapid strips, these whatever they're called, I get mine off of Amazon, but they're like the best thing ever. They don't leave any kind of residue or anything like that whenever you take it off like you see here. So you gotta get you some, girl. Anyways, you guys, I am just going to flat iron this hair. It really didn't need too much. I actually think I kind of overdid it because the hair is 150% density. It's short and it's straight. It just doesn't need too much straightening. It needs a little bit more body more than anything, if that makes sense. So I did have to kind of knock out these like little bumps that you see me trying to get out right here in the back, which is why I'm doing the chase method with the flat iron. And also make sure your hair is super flat, like as flat as possible underneath your wig. I have my hair in mini twists, so whatever style you choose to do, mini twists or cornrows or whatever, just make sure it is as flat as possible. That's the only thing about this wig. It's to me, it's meant to be sleek and straight and all that great stuff. So yeah, you kind of just can't get around that unless you increase the density of it. But if you like exactly what I have on, that is just a tip from me to you. So yeah, anyways, you guys, so here I'm just taking my curler and just kind of adding in some curls, or doing my best to. I absolutely hate this iron, this curling iron. It's just the absolute worst. I don't know, I need a new one. But anyways, I gotta do what I gotta do, and this is all I had. So yeah, I'm just trying to pretty much add in some curls to give it a little bit more body. And then I'm gonna go in with a few finishing touches, like my good old handy dandy wax stick that I can go overboard with sometimes. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of hairspray just because those flyaways were like really driving me nuts. And I'm gonna use my brush to just kind of brush it all and smooth it all together, and use a little powder on my part. And that's really it, you guys. I love this wig. My husband loved it. I loved it. I felt like the 12 inch was perfect length. It's also super affordable, you guys, and just easy to style. So just one of those wigs you can throw on, look sophisticated, look cute, look put together in no time, and you are like just ready to go. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, anything like that, please put them down below. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.